It's capable, it's comfy, it's clean. This pre-owned 2020 GMC Sierra HD 2500, professional grade grille, 6.6 liter Duramax diesel with Allison transmission, professional grade alloy wheels, and BFG Goodrich all-terrain tires all the way around. We got our side steps here, heated and vented front power driver and passenger seats, a whole lot of room here in the center console with connectivity. We have our wireless charging connectivity right here, trailer brake controller, 12 volts of power, also our power inverter, other accessory switches. We have our climate controls. Also, we have our GMC infotainment system and a traditional gauge cluster, not to mention a Bose premium sound system and a sunroof moonroof for the front row. Now check this out. We got a whole lot of cargo room here, plenty of rubber floor mats throughout, rear air, 12 volt power connectivity, and a heated second row. Comes down with the greatest of ease, 3 across. We have storage in both sides of the seats, and also, there we go, that armrest with cup holders. Now in the back, we've got a coated bed, 12 tie downs, power, and lights, and of course, we have the multifunction tailgate that is so easy to put up. And guess what? We're ready for a trailer and a step bumper here with this pre-owned 2020 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Denali diesel right here at Payne Pre Owned McColl. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.